Union Science and Technology Minister Jitendra Singh has downplayed the allegation that BJP is an anti-Christian party. The Union Minister, who arrived in Shillong today to up the morale of the party candidates, termed the allegation as mere propaganda of the opposition parties, particularly Congress. Whenever election comes, Congress spreads it, he said, while highlighting development Meghalaya has witnessed in the last 5 years. He said that Meghalaya had been developing under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
If we had to do so, there would not be any Christian over here. Is that so? Is there any evidence of any of the BJP workers having sought to indulge in any attempt to convert anybody? This is a party which gives equal attention to all religions. In fact, Modi ji, during his regime as Prime Ministership, has done much more than minorities and weaker sections, be it the Christians, be it the Muslims, be it the women, compared to any other.
The state president of